So we're in the Walgreens and we're looking at all the Lindt chocolate cocoa and the Lindt extra creamy. They got chili, white coconut. Those are all the regular chocolates. Now we're going to go down to the truffles. And they have the milk chocolate, which I'm going to get. And the assorted truffles. And then they have white Lindor. They have fudge swirl, orange, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. And I guess that's really about it. So I'm going with these three for now. I'm going to check out, and then I'm going to go home and chase them and tell you what I think. Okay, so that's the Lindt. Goodbye.